Hello everyone, my name is Karan Khatri and today on Spade EMS YouTube channel we will be talking on a very important international day, that is World Food Safety Day. Every year on 7th June, the World Health Organization organizes and celebrates this day wherein we talk about the importance of safe, sufficient and nutritious food. Before we move ahead with the main part of the video, I will like to read out some facts and figures which are stated in the World Health Organization report, and we will try to understand why this day is important and why spreading of awareness is very important. So the first is, children under 5 years of age carry 40% of the foodborne diseases, which leads to 1,25,000 deaths every year. Foodborne illnesses are usually infectious or toxic. They are caused by bacteria, viruses, parasites or chemical substances. It can be because of contamination of food or water. Foodborne diseases impede socio-economic development by straining healthcare systems and harming national economies, tourism and trade. The value of trade in food is $1.6 trillion, which is approximately 10% of total annual trade globally. Climate change is also associated with alternation of geographic occurrence and prevalence of safety food hazards. Each year, an estimated of 7 lakh people die around the globe because of antimicrobial resistant infections. Good hygiene practices is must, and in the food and agriculture sector specifically, it helps to reduce the emergence and spread of foodborne diseases. 10 people, they fall sick because of contaminated food. In fact, providing safe, nutritious and healthy food is one of the 17 United Nations Sustainable Development Goals. This year, World Health Organization has come up with a main theme, that is food safety is everyone's business. In this main theme, that is food safety is everyone's business, there are 5 sub-themes. The first sub-theme is ensure its safety. Governments need to ensure that the food that the suppliers provide are safe, healthy and nutritious. The second, grow it safe. It promotes all its agricultural and food producers to make sure the safety of the food products. Third, keep it safe. Business operators must ensure and follow all the practices to keep the food safe. Fourth, eat it safe. It is the right for all the consumers to consume each and every food product to be safe, healthy and nutritious. And fifth, team up for safety. It is not only any one particular stakeholder's business. It is the responsibility of all the stakeholders. It is a shared responsibility and it is the right to consume safe, sufficient, healthy and nutritious food. In order to celebrate this day in the true spirit, you can organize a World Food Safety Day in your organization. It can be your school, it can be your workplace, it can be anywhere. Engagement of youth in this particular celebration is of critical importance. Using of sports, using of recreational activities will increase the enthusiasm in all the stakeholders. Getting the media involved and spreading awareness are some of other measures that you can take in your organization to actually celebrate this day in the true spirit. Now, I will be reading the key messages that are stated by the World Health Organization in its report for this particular day. First, there is no food security without food safety. Second, unsafe food takes a huge toll on human health and the economy. Third, food safety is a shared responsibility from production to consumption. Fourth, investing in sustainable food systems pays off. Fifth, implementing a One Health approach improves food safety. And 6th, which is the last, FAO and WHO are supporting global efforts to promote the safe food. With this, I would like to end this video. I will request all the viewers to understand the critical importance of this day and to spread the awareness that food safety is truly everyone's business. Thank you.